doing short ribs with garlic and
sesame oil.
Sesame oil and
Pineapple teriyaki.
And soy sauce. We'll try.
You like it? So what are you doing now?
Gotta pour it in.
What are you pouring in first?
The pineapple teriyaki. What? Yeah. And then I'm gonna pour the
Soy sauce?
soy sauce. Here, try.
What does it taste like?
I want to maybe taste that again. Like maybe garlic and stuff. And I'm gonna get it's like oil.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Sesame oil going in. And here's our garlic.
How much garlic cloves is in there?
8.
8. Good job.
So I'm gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna pour this on my ribs.
You have to mix it first.
Oh, mix it.
Did you forget that?
I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys.
Keep mixing it. Let me see that. That is a sauce. What does the sauce taste like?
Wait, try it. Wait, I'm gonna try it after. Let's mix it. Keep on mixing it. So these are the barbecue ribs, and the fish stuff are there.
We're gonna make fish cake salad.
Fish cake salad.
Yeah.
And the ribs here.
So you're gonna pour that on ribs. Good job. Uh-oh, it's leaking.
It's leaking. Seriously leaking.
Let's move it like this.
Oh!
Mmm. Look at that.
It's so good.
So here we're gonna be making the fish cake salad
Yeah.
with Annika. Annika in the kitchen. Don't put that in yet. Take it out.
How?
So Annika's gonna show us what we need. But these are the fish cakes we buy. I just wanted to show. These are the fish cakes.
Mama,
They are delicious.
it smells like bread.
Bread. The fish cake smells like bread.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have some meringue,
Yeah. Alright.
and then we're gonna have some corn syrup,
Yeah, we have to.
soy sauce, sesame oil, and some pepper flakes. And then we have 1/4 cup water, garlic, shallots, and jalapeno with onion. And we have a Chinese wok or Korean wok, whatever you call it. It's already old. You can see that I could cook a lot in there with Annika.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's get started?
Yeah, I'll put some in it.
All right. Okay, so first we're going to put is sesame oil. Here, Annika, put some sesame
How much?
oil. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, enough. All right. Then we're going to put the garlic. The garlic.
I love garlic.
There's like 5 cloves of garlic.
Yeah, 5.
All right.
That's cooking up. Cooking.
So we're gonna move this here.
Whoa.
We're gonna put it in for us. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the one.
Give it to me. I'm gonna mix it all up together. And we're gonna like cook this probably for like 3 minutes. And then we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of water. Look at that.
If you see that right away, that's a good.
Yeah. So now that it got a little crispy, you see that? A little crispy, 3 minutes on high. Then we're gonna put it on medium. And we're gonna add water.
That's a lot of water.
Pour the water. Oh yeah. It's gonna steam the fish cakes a little bit.
Mama, smell this.
That's good. We're gonna steam this up for like 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add our sauces.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Hey,
Now we're gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of meringue. Go ahead, put it in.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, you hear that so loud? We're gonna put 2 tablespoons soy sauce. And a little bit of the red seasoning. Just a little bit.
No, that's a lot. Now we're putting the corn syrup.
1.5 tablespoons of corn syrup. If you don't want to use corn syrup, you can use honey or sugar. Look how it looks now.
I'm still putting in.
Yeah. Now we're going to put the vegetables. So the onion we put in,
Here we go.
and that was half an onion and 1 whole jalapeno. Just mix it up for a minute. We'll let it saute for like 3 minutes or 2. And then we're going to add the shallots.
No, the onion. The green onion, Mama.
That's the shallots.
No, the green onion.
Yeah, it's called the shallots. We call it shallots.
Oh, yeah, the green
Or
onion.
green onion.
Wait, can I try one?
Oh, that was amazing.
Yes, Mom's from over here.
Yes, get a fork. Annika's doing a little taste test. Is it good? Delish? We should put a little bit more soy sauce. And we'll put a little bit more sesame oil. So good.
I'm going to try again.
And we'll add a little bit more.
No! That's so much.
That's okay. And then we're going to add shallots. And shallots is best to put last because they're going to get soggy. I want it crunchy. You going to try it again when it's all done?
Oh,
Be careful. You could also put carrots in here, but Annika doesn't like carrots. So, taste test. Just pick it up with your fingers.
I don't want to make my fingers funny.
A little spicy? Mmm. So good. A little spicy? Mmm. So good. Uh-oh. Try it with the onion.
No, I'm not trying with that onion. I'm trying it with
The shallots.
yeah, the shallot. With the onion.
Mmm. So how much cups of rice is that? One?
One.
1 cup of rice. Good job. And then 2 cups of water.
Water.
Can't wait to eat that.
No, I can't.
With some kimchi salad. I bought this at a Chinese market. And then we're gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of
That's
meringue.
so hot. Man, that's so hot.
Yep. That's meringue.
Whoa,
We're gonna
Mama,
mix this up. Let it boil until it boils. Take it down to medium and close the lid and let it steam up. So we're gonna have steamed rice. Annika can't wait, huh?
Yeah, I can't wait.
You can't wait?
I can't wait for the ribs. The ribs are so good. Look at this.
The ribs are, oh yeah. Yep, I left it out. I took it out of the fridge so it can
This is
cool
so
off
hot.
and marinate in the heat or room temperature.
It's hot.
Gotta clean all this up.
This is hot.
Yep, it is. Let's put it like this, the other way.
Oh.
There you go. And Annika's hot right now. Are you hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's hot today outside. It's like really hot out today. So beautiful out.
I'm going to the pool today.
Where are you going today?
To the pool.
Where were you at today?
Chinese store buying all this stuff. And we're cooking right now.
Yeah, where did you get that pencil? Where were you at?
Oh, the dentist, look.
You got 2 teeth taken out? Yeah. And you got a cavity filled in?
Yeah, and it had numb here.
You got it numb? They give you a shot?
Shot? They
Yeah.
give me a shot?
That was the pinch. Whenever you felt the pinch. Yeah. So she got this notebook and then a pencil.
And
this
then my tooth.
bracelet.
And then my tooth.
And then she got her teeth. You want to go show your teeth?
But Mama, my other one's somewhere in the car.
You lost it in the car?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, this is so good, you guys. Like, oh, it's so good with steamed rice and the kimchi. The kimchi is right here. Don't mind the mess. Kimchi. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna have the ribs. And we're gonna have steamed rice.
And then we're going to have the tooth.
Yeah.
Look right here. But my other one got lost in the car. But here's this one.
You lost one in the car.
Yeah. Well, here's one right here.
Yeah.
Look, and this one's my big tooth.
Okay. That's cool. What did you say you're gonna do with this notepad?
Oh, this is my not my notebook, but it's my stuff. Whoever wants to order something.
Like a restaurant, order food?
Yeah.
And who orders food?
The octopus.
The octopus and your stuffed animals, your dolls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, I have a place to put it. My dentist appointment thing right here. See, I can put my tooth right there.
Yep.
Nice work.
Good job.
Oh, this goes so.
Then we're gonna go to the pool
Yep.
and grill our ribs.
Yeah, and I can go jump in the pool, go underwater. I can show you.
Yeah. You want to show people how you jump into the pool? Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll show people. We'll show all your friends on YouTube. Yeah? Yeah.
And then I can't jump in the jacuzzi.
No, you cannot jump in jacuzzi.
Yeah, you can.
People relax in there.
You know what?
What?
Jason jumped in the pool and some all water came out.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah, but it was no one was in there.
Oh really?
Yeah, and me and Safina was there.
Mm.
Me and Safina was there. So
It's starting to steam up.
Ooh, that was a
Once it starts to simmer, we're going to turn it on medium and put the lid on
Yeah.
and cook for like
Where's the
15, 20 minutes.
Whoa, where's
The lid is over there. This kimchi is really good.
Look.
They make it in the Korean store.
See this side? Look.
So this was made August 4th, and it has to be sold by 8/17.
Look.
I'm telling you guys, this is the freshest kimchi I ever tried. And that's the Korean or the Chinese market
Here it is.
in Oregon. So yeah, this is amazing.
And now look at this.
It's a lid. You're making it dirty. We're not covering it right now, honey.
Okay, bye.
We're going to wait till it boils and then put it on medium. And then we're going to cover it for 15, 20 minutes. And before you cook or touch anything, what do you have to do?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. For how much seconds?
30.
30 seconds? Good job.
30.
Look what Annika did. All this mess will taste test.
For the taste.
Yep, that's you. So cute. So we'll come back when it starts to simmer and I'll move it a little bit back. So now it started to bubble up. I added a pinch of salt. I'm going to cover it, put it on medium low,
This
and let it
is a
simmer.
shark tooth.
Let it simmer for like 15, 20 minutes.
200.
And don't open the lid until it's done. We'll be back. This is amazingly good. Look at Annika. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Want to try the
Rice?
fish cake?
I'll try the rice. I already had this. Try that.
Try it again for your friends,
Okay.
so they can see.
I'm gonna put some of
Okay, you're
this.
gonna have rice with your hand.
Some more rice.
More rice. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
That's a lot. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Finish eating and then say thumbs up, subscribe. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, leave a comment. Look at that, juicy. Leave a comment. Thumbs up, subscribe. And we love you guys. Bye.
Bye.